Hey, it's Leah, and today I wanted to share some amazing software that will help your business and help you grow online. So one of the things I wanted to share with you is not all, but some of the options that you can get with this amazing software. So you can have emails, autoresponder, content marketing, SMS marketing, done for you marketing pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, capture pages, unlimited content, SMS marketing, and anything else, all for one low price. Everything is all in the system for you, and I will add the links down below. You can make these simple pages. They're just an easy drag and drop, drag and drop. Right here, you can also include your social media, so people will go to your Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, wherever you want them to go. So the social media is there for you. They also do have done for you pages if you're part of a certain business and you need those pages already done because you don't want to do them. Not a problem. Come check out to see what Nowsite is offering. Go ahead and add your information, but here down below I'll show you this is social media marketing, unlimited landing pages, capture pages, drag and drop interface, super simple and easy. Email marketing and adding your contents, analytics, contacts, and you can always add your information down below so people can get in contact with you on your business. Maybe you're selling a product, maybe you're doing ClickBank, JVZoo, anything like that will allow you to be on the social media. They can contact you by phone or just feel comfortable in knowing that you're a real person. Here we are doing our last minute to generate holiday cash, so make sure you jump in before December 31st, 2020. Otherwise, I don't know what's happening next year. But here you can get some extra cash and get started and have an opportunity to have an all-in-one system. Right here is an easy way to just show you how you can drag and drop everything right into your pages. All you have to do is just click edit and you can pick any of these features and pop them right into the software. You can change these, alter these anytime. Super simple and easy. You can add videos, you can add pages, you can add I like the call me now. So when you're in the preview of my page and you're on your smartphone, you'll be able to look at show me, start now, or call me and ask me questions. Down below is all my information, but it is a great way to get started with this amazing software. Make sure you jump in, get started, and start saving money. I'll see you on my next video. Make sure to comment down below and ask any questions that you might have. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.